follow the book, get a proper paperwork, send the paperwork to the truck driver, then the truck driver come and move it.
Walk down to the edge here. Here's the high water mark here. Look at some of the logs and stuff. Just got the trees, keeping them back. Then again, that's only about a metre. Strange.
It must be hard to tide about now.
Yeah, it might have something to do with it. So you can see the sort of stuff that's dumped here. Check this out. It's a crab.
Oh yeah.
Crab attached himself to the log. See? Yep.
Yep. Muddy.
Little mud crab. There you go, Shay. It's a little crabby. I want to touch him. I want to touch him. I want to touch him. Alright. You can go back on there. There you go. Now that normally comes across and it's a small channel over there.
Yeah, I know.
And this you can walk. What's that?
Never got rescued.
Look, Shay. Dead fishy.
Got drowned.
You got drowned. Dead fishy. There you go. Anyway, goodbye. But this here, Trevor, you come to this edge and then it drops about, I don't know, 2 metres. There's a big rock ledge here.
Of the rock ledge.
Yeah, well, there it is.
So that's the start of it.
So this would have to be what? Jesus.
100 metres wide here.
Oh, 100? Yeah. And the rest, that's more than 100 metres over there.
120.
No. That's 200, I reckon. Across the other side, you've run 100? There's no way you'd run that in 10 seconds. Or even 12 seconds. That's got to be 100. Oh. Minimum 150. I'd say closer to 200. That's where the bank's gone.
Yeah, when she starts dropping down, I reckon we'll see the same on
Yeah, she's taken away a chunk of it. Look.
Weir Canyon used to be like that.
Alright.
And you swim down over that.
Used to get rain at Wilcannia?
Huh?
Used to get rain at Wilcannia?
They get rain in Queensland and we'd get the water.
Oh, alright. So I'll walk up the bank here a bit.
Down, you go over the bank.
You have to be careful, that's a bit of a drop off there. There you got your island in the middle. Looks like there's a couple of ducks on there as well. Not ducks, one of those black things, I don't know. The island.
Oh, on the island there, yeah.
Something, what is it? Where is he? There he is, widening his wings. Look at a seabird. Alright, I'm going to pause it again.